I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Shopify account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Shopify login page. Navigate to the Shopify login page where you typically enter your credentials. This is where you will start the unlocking process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Check your email. After clicking the link, check your email inbox for a password reset email from Shopify. Make sure to look in your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to enhance security. Step 5. Log back in. Return to the Shopify login page and enter your email and new password. If everything was done correctly, you should now have access to your account. If you run into issues during the process, double check that the email you entered matches the one associated with your Shopify account. Good luck, and I hope you be back up and running soon.